Okay, what's up, people? We're here today again with the 97 F-150. It's got a crack in the radiator, in the plastic part of the radiator. I won't be able to show you guys, but it's right behind this. Maybe you can almost see it, but probably not. But that should not be wet. So, I did freak out at first because when I first got the radiator, the videos I've been watching, this guy's doing it on a, must be a 98 or 99, because he's got quick disconnect fittings for his transmission cooler lines, and this one's got threaded fittings. So I was thrown off a bit at first because I assumed I was going to have the quick disconnect fittings, which I don't. I've got the regular fittings. Of course, there's no way to see it. There's a regular, that's what I got. I got regular fittings, threaded fittings. I'm going to hit them with some PB Blaster so they can soak for a minute. And then the only other thing is the radiator is about half as wide. I don't know, maybe they're making them a lot better now than they used to. I just hope it's not going to cause any problems. I'm not going to throw this radiator out. I'm going to fix it just in case I do need to put it back in. Other than that, I'm waiting for this young guy to come by to kind of see if he wants to work with me, kind of like a partnership type of deal. Or, you know, if I got a job that's a little bit too big for my two hands, then I call in an extra set of hands, and he'd be the guy that I call. Today we're going to figure out how we work together. Let's just do this radiator real quick. He should be here in 10 minutes or so. I don't know if he's going to want to be on camera. We'll find that out when he gets here. Alright folks, I'm here. Clay is here. Say hi, Clay. We're doing, like I said earlier, the radiator. We already got the lining out to get to the petcock so we can drain it. He's taking out the fan shroud bolts so we can pull the fan shroud out. Let me get this drained and I'll get back to you guys. Well folks, there it is. It's out. A little worse for wear, but like I said, I'm going to clean it up. The crack is right here. So I'm going to clean it up and fix that crack, just in case I do need this again. It's my yard, I don't give a shit. Oh, cool. Everything is disconnected, obviously. It's out. Those were a pain in the ass to do, but we got them. That hose clamp down there was a bitch, but we got it. All right, new one. Let's get the new one out. As you guys can see, it is about half the size of the old one. But I mean, they just must make them more efficient now. I don't know, because that was the only option. That with the automatic transmission cooling ports. So let's put it in, see how it goes. Alright, so it's come up to temperature a little bit. I let it burp a bit. My homie went home. My friend, my buddy, this guy, homie. Clay went home, and that's it. Could probably use a little more. It's down there, you see down there. Nothing's leaking. Some of my lines are leaking. So, don't open that, obviously it's running. Got pressure. But that's it, guys. Alright, thank you guys. Appreciate you tuning in. Like, subscribe, do all the things, and we'll see you in the next one.